So irrespective of the e-commerce platform that you're using, if it is Shopify in this case, Klarna can benefit the merchant by providing them with a gateway to all of the consumers that Klarna has in the UK. We're on target for 5 million active consumers that are looking for flexibility at the point of checkout in Pay Later and Pay in 3. The Shopify integration is very quick, seamless, and easy. And merchants can get up and running and benefit from offering their consumers this level of flexibility very quickly. Consumers are looking for choice, they're looking for flexibility, whether it's delivery options, whether it's the ability to pay how they want for goods, online or in store. Flexibility is definitely key, and merchants can provide that to the consumer through Klarna. As a consumer, you can elect to take goods home from a site that you've purchased. You can try them on, you can feel them. As we say at Klarna, bring the fitting room into the sitting room. Also, you can elect to pay for goods over a prolonged period. Klarna has Pay in 3 as well, which gives you the flexibility to increase the amount of items that you'd like to purchase. And gives you the choice to pay those off over 3 monthly installments. That's a tough one for me to answer, but I would say that the most interesting way that a merchant is currently utilizing Klarna, because it may change, is a connected experience from online to in-store. So one of our merchants offers consumers the flexibility to purchase with Klarna at the point of sale, which is unique. Once we identify that you are a customer of Klarna, this payment option is available to you, and you can elect to Pay Later or Pay in 3 at the point of purchase physically. I think it's very tough to differentiate the great features that we offer. I think they're all very good and very unique in their own way, and they're highly applicable in certain purchases. But I would say that our most unique feature as a business, or brand if you will, is how we work with our merchants on an individual basis to help promote them, to work with them to achieve mutual growth. And this is through co-marketing, through events, through pop-up stores. We run our very popular Smooth Sessions. And I think this is what sets Klarna apart when it comes to, the provider of payment options. Yes, Klarna is available in store. More commonly, you'll see Klarna available in store with consumer financing as the primary offer. However, we are rolling this out across the host of other services that we provide, like Pay Later and Pay in 3. So this will give merchants the flexibility to offer a consistent experience for their consumers, both online and in a physical presence. When shoppers use Pay Later or Pay in 3, or any of the Klarna payment methods, the merchant receives funds as soon as they dispatch the goods. Klarna will pick up notification that the products have been dispatched to the customer, and that's exactly the point when the payment is made. The fees associated with offering Klarna are dependent upon the different products that the merchant chooses to offer. Pay Later can start at 1.9%, and the more risk that we assume with the different levels of Pay Later, like up until Pay in 3, the more the percentage will increase. There is a 20p transaction fee associated with Klarna purchases as well. So I would say that some of the fundamental tick boxes that businesses have to ensure they've covered when they're expanding is definitely fulfillment, but also localized payments as well. Klarna is a global provider of the payment options that we offer, particularly in the Nordic regions where the ability to pay after delivery is very important to offer these services as a retailer. Also Germany being one of our highest volume markets as well. So if you are a retailer and you are trading in these two specific territories, it makes sense to offer consumers the choice in which they expect as a norm. Klarna is also available in all sorts of other different territories, but we're available in the US as well and have an audience of consumers that are already using Klarna's Pay in 4 and Pay Later as a service. So among the things you would do as an expanding retailer, I would definitely recommend you localize payments and offer the choice that Klarna provides. So beyond the purchase experience that takes place online, where a shopper will see exactly how easy it is to spread the cost of their purchase over 3 months utilizing Klarna, or simply have a pre-filled checkout experience using Pay Later as well. The post-purchase experience with Klarna is paramount to our success as well. So if you are a customer of Klarna, you will benefit from the fact that there are no fees, there's no interest as well. We have a consumer-facing app which tracks all of your purchases. It has product images, it's very engaging. There's also material and media in there that you can engage with. And in some markets, it actually is a shopping experience in itself. So we find that a lot of our customers are loyal to the experience that they receive online, but then also really enjoy the post-purchase experience that Klarna provides.